Hey everybody, it's Josh over here at CFT. Today I want to talk to you about the new 2019 to present air ride level links. As you've probably seen in past videos, we have the air ride adjustable links for the 2013 to 2018, and these are always available, pre-boxed, ready to ship. They are fully adjustable, and you can see them in our other videos. Now there's a difference between our old design for these and our new design for the new 2019s on up. As you see, the factory links, as you can see here, all you gotta do is just pop them off. The new link design has nice new clips, allow you to clip them directly on. They are still fully adjustable. You loosen up the jam nut and one full turn in, if you make them shorter, will raise you up about 1/8 of an inch. One full turn out to lengthen these will lower your front end about 1/8 of an inch. We kind of have these preset, pre-adjusted for around 1.5 inches to 1.75 inches. We always see a variance. It doesn't matter what year, make, and model. Lots of stuff that kind of gets involved there. But the fact of the matter of it is you just pop off your old links, put these on, hit your air ride adjustment buttons to cycle your system up, cycle your system down, and then the computer kind of recalibrates everything and should level you out. Take a measurement before you put them on, then take a measurement after you put them on, and then you can adjust side to side and so on to get the proper ride height that you want. Thank you so much. These are available online at cftperformance.com.